In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a link tree to your bio on TikTok. And in order to start, we're going to our profile section at the bottom right. And as you can see, I have no Linktree link in my bio at this moment. And I have to say that in order to start, you need to have a Linktree account all set up. And this is actually pretty easy. You just go over to the site of Linktree and you just create an account on here. You can select which plan you want. You can go with the free plan basically. That is enough to get it on your TikTok. You don't need a paid plan for this. Of course, when you want more features, you can of course upgrade, but to get it on your TikTok bio, it is not necessary. So you need to create an account, set up your Linktree, add maybe some links, and be sure that you have your own personal link. And when you have that personal link, you can go over to your TikTok account only when you have at least 1,000 followers, because this is the threshold that you need on TikTok to be able to have a link in your bio. And as you can see, I have above 1,000 followers, so I can add a link tree to my bio. And now I'm going to show you how you do this. So we are going to edit profile. And in here, we are not going to put the link in our bio actually. We are going to put it in links. That's just one section below. It says links and it says add at the right side. And we are going to click on add. And in here you have a couple of options. You have Instagram and YouTube. And to have the link tree in your account, you're going to click on website. And then at the right, you see add. And I am going to paste in my personal link from my Linktree account. And now I'm going to click on save. Now we're going to go back and let's refresh our account. And as you can see, the Linktree link is in our bio and we're going to test if it works now. So we click on the link and as you can see, it works. This is my Linktree. This is my theme, everything I selected. And when you did everything right, it should pop up like this. If you are able to put your link in your bio, so you have more than 1K followers, but you don't see your shop, then you probably don't have your Linktree account all set up, and especially not your own link. And this is something you need to go to Linktree for and not on TikTok, because TikTok only wants the link of your personal Linktree account, and that's basically redirecting you to your Linktree account. So the problem with that is always on Linktree then. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.